Technology has evolved since Park Industries started in 1953. However, our steadfast commitment to customer service has remained rock solid. Our team is laser-focused on providing you peace of mind in your investment. And with Park's ProGuard solutions, you can receive additional protection beyond what you receive with your new machine. ProGuard solutions encompass a variety of additional programs that you can select to ensure that your machine is running optimally, including consumable, spare, and maintenance parts kits, training programs, preventive maintenance services, and field service support. ProGuard is the #1 differentiator between Park Industries and the rest in terms of our unmatched commitment to machine uptime. As your trusted advisor, it's our quest to provide you exceptional customer service and support. Please reach out to your sales consultant or our customer service department should you want to learn more about ProGuard solutions. Are your shop and machinery in good hands? ProGuard them today.